Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I know I gained some subscribers recently, which is totally awesome. So if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. I'm so happy you subscribed to my channel. For those of you that are joining us for the first time, welcome. My name is Jenifer. I upload beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content here 3 times a week. So if you like that type of content, make sure you subscribe. You also want to make sure you hit that bell notification so that way you are notified every single time I upload. So for today's look, I thought I would bring to you a very wearable, everyday summer look. So before we get into the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, if you are new, make sure you subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, so like normal, I did my base off camera. And to start, I'm just gonna put my hair back because I don't like my hair in my face when I do my makeup. And I know scrunchies are like a really big trend right now for hair. And I picked these up on Amazon. It was a pack of 68, I believe. And you get the satin ones, you get velvet ones, and then you get the like fabric ones. And they are amazing. I am loving them. And the best part is they're like $7. So if you guys need scrunchies, I'll link them down below, but I am loving this pack that I got off of Amazon. Okay, so to start, I'm going to prime my eyes with my favorite eyeshadow base, which is the Louise base in Rumour 1. And I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so now that you are up close, I'm going to take it on my beauty blender and just start priming my eyes. Okay, so for today's look, I'm not really doing anything today, so I thought I would just keep it kind of neutral, but I would play with some warmer shades and dip into some yellows and oranges because I haven't used those in a while. So I'm going to start out with my Kendall by Kylie Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to dip into the shade Runs in the Family, which is this yellow one right here. And I'm just going to apply it right above my crease. Next up, I'm going to dip into the shade Thicker Than Water, which is from the Kendall Kylie Cosmetics, and it's that orange shade right there. And I'm just taking this on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply this just in the crease area. Then what I'm going to do is I am going to take a little bit more of the Louise base, and I'm just going to cut out my crease a little bit. And I'm just taking this on a concealer brush. then I'm going to dip into my Norvina Volume 3 palette, and I'm going to take the shade E3, which is this bottom bright orange one, and I'm going to focus the color on my outer lid and my inner corner. Okay, so the next color I'm going to take is from the Norvina palette, and it is the shade D2, which is this sparkly orangey shade right here. And I'm going to apply that in the middle of my lid. And don't worry if things aren't blended yet, we'll get to that in a minute. So to blend the two colors together, I'm going to take this, it's like a fluffy, almost like a pencil brush, but it's very fluffy. And I'm going to take a little bit more of that D2 shade, which is the shade that's in the middle of our eye. And I'm just going to slightly run it on either side of each color and just start blending the two together. Okay, so now that we've finished that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take more of that E3 color from the Norvina palette, which was this bright orange down here. And I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. So now that that's done, I'm going to take the orange from the Kendall Kylie palette, which was called Thicker Than Water. It was this one right here. And I'm going to just blend out that E3 color. Now that the eyes are basically done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my waterline with the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil, and then I'm going to do my winged liner with the Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner, and I will be right back. Okay, so we are back, and I ended up using my Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Volume 2 mascara. And then I used the Huda Beauty Sasha number 11 lashes. So let me zoom you in so you can see the eyes. Okay, so now to finish off this look, I'm going to do my highlight. I am going to take the Jaclyn Cosmetics, the Flash palette. And it is the lighter of her two palettes, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Mesmerized. It's got like a peachy pink undertone. It's really pretty, and I think it'll tie in nicely with the eyes. So what I'm going to do is take my Morphe setting spray, and I'm just going to spray my brush. and going to apply it to where the light naturally hits my face for a really pretty glow. Okay, and then moving on to lips, I'm going to take my Patrick Ta lip liner, which I've been loving recently, and it's the one that's called She's Bold, and it's a really pretty brown. So I'm going to take that and apply it to my lips, and then I'm going to apply the lipstick Cut a Caper, which is a really pretty pink. It's from MAC Cosmetics. I know, I'm not applying brown lipstick, like what is going on? So I'm going to apply those. To do is I like to take my lip liner again, and I like to just blend where the lip liner and the lipstick meet, just for a really nice ombre effect. So let me zoom you in for a final look. This look came out so pretty and I'm totally loving it. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's look. I really hope you enjoyed this look that I created. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys all very soon. Bye guys.